Love this thing. Looks and feels like a true commercial-grade arcade. Had one sticky button that the owner, Freedom, remedied in no time. Great product, communication, and support. They stand behind what they sell. Would buy again. Even better in person. Service was incredible. Love the custom graphics. Games played just like the arcade. Love everything about it. It's a hit with friends and family. So far so good. Appears as advertised. This machine is built great. It looks amazing and the ease of use is spectacular. My kids love it and my wife and I are having flashbacks daily to our childhood. It is worth every penny. Just as advertised. Lot of great games my kids love. I've had it for 2 to 3 weeks. The games are not in high def, so it's stretched sideways on the high def screen. Doesn't look, feel authentic. Pac-Man, Galaga, Ms. Pac-Man. All stretched sideways and don't look like the real game. I emailed them twice to see if there's a setting that can be changed but no response. A bit disappointed. Great product. Super slick setup, looks amazing. So far all the games work in their original glory. Folks, this machine is huge. Make sure you have plenty of room. Only thing I wish it had was a favorites tab. Searching through games to get what you want can be tedious. Bought for my wife, she loves it. So far it's been perfect. Easy to control. Great games. No issues. Quick and safe shipping. Came way before I expected. So many games, almost overwhelming. Brings back lots of 80s memories. Loving it. Click link in description for purchase and more reviews.